Hello friend, now we are going to start the electrical wave signal of the brain. So that electrical wave signal is called EEG. So EEG is nothing, it is just a measurement of the whatever the electrical signals or impulses which is passing through the neuron. So they are the different or various type of rhythmic brain waves generated. So first is alpha wave, beta wave, theta wave and delta waves. So alpha waves, the rhythmic brain is 10 to 8 cycle per second. So 10 to 8 cycle per second, it is the most prominent wave. It occurs during the quiet condition, calm condition, when the mind is peaceful condition, concentrated condition. So this waves takes place in brain. So this brain wave is called alpha brain wave. So this brain wave disappear during sleeping time. This wave disappear during sleeping time. So sleeping time. So this is the alpha wave. Another wave is the beta wave. Beta wave is very diffuse type, just occur during the tension stress condition, whereas the diffuse and thought process is very fast. Thought process is very fast. So during beta wave, so cycle per second is 50 to 60. So it's more than so this wave. So during this wave generation, so persons who are not in calm position, they are stressful in condition. So this is the beta wave. Another wave is a theta wave. So theta wave is the 5 to 8 cycle per second. It is mainly generated in the children up to 2 to 5 years children. So this is the most prominent wave in children. And the delta wave is 1 to 5 cycle per second. It is rarely found in human brain. It is rarely found in human brain, or it indicate when the wave generated, it indicate the brain damage happening, or brain damage takes place or occurs. So these are the various type of waves occurs or recorded in brain. So the most prominent wave is beta wave. So you already discussed. Okay. Now we come to the neurotransmitter. So neurotransmitter is a transmitter process when the impulse generated, when an impulse cross to the another neuron. So this impulse across the synapses, which is carried by neurotransmitter. So neurotransmitter, which is secreted at the axonic terminal or axonic vesicles, the main neurotransmitter is acetylcholine and noradrenaline. So at the junction of the two neurons, these neurotransmitters secreted and help in the carry the nerve impulse to the another neuron. So main neurotransmitters are acetylcholine and noradrenaline. They are stimulatory in nature. It stimulate the neuron. And carries the information from one neuron to another neuron. So this is the neuron. Another one is inhibitory. So it reduce the stimulatory rate, reduce the conduction. So these are GABA and glycine. So GABA and glycines. So this is the GABA and glycines, both are inhibitory in nature. So inhibitory nature shows so it reduces the transmission rate. It is inhibitory in nature. Another one is dopamine and serotonin. So dopamine is help in the voluntary control of muscular contraction. So when the muscular contraction, so when nerves connect to the muscles, so muscles fiber, so these help in the contraction of muscles. So another one is the serotonin. It also control the mood enhancer and feeling. So these are the neurotransmitter which is both excitatory as well as inhibitory in nature. So, this is all about related to the neurotransmitter. Another one is the ventricles. So, ventricle is nothing, it is just a ventricle is nothing, it is just a cavity. It is just a cavity. So, cavity. So, here is the cavity. So, there are 4 cavities. How many cavities? 4 cavities. Cavities or ventricles are present in brain. So, brain. So, here is the one brain is called, so this is called cerebrum. This is called cerebrum. So, cavity present in cerebrum. Next one is diencephalon. Third one is medulla oblongata. Here is the medulla oblongata. So, there is the medulla oblongata. So, in cerebrum 2 cavity, first and second cavity. Okay, second ventricle. Ventricles. So, first and second ventricle is called lateral ventricle. This is called lateral ventricle. So, ventricle. So, ventricle of cerebrum is called lateral ventricle. Third one is diencephalon. So, in diencephalon ventricle or cavity is present, that cavity is called diocele. Third one is cavity in medulla oblongata. So, cavity in medulla oblongata is metacell. And ये open through this is a part is called ether. ये part जो किससे खुल, this open outside is called ether. So, these are the cavity or ventricle present inside the vein. So, there are 4 ventricle. First one is lateral. So, it is a ventricle of cerebrum. So there are 2 ventricle in cerebrum. First and second lateral ventricle. Third one is diencephalon to diocele, and last one is in medulla oblongata is metacell. So, these are related to ventricle or cavity and different brain waves and neurotransmitter which help in the conduction of one neuron or conduction of nerve impulse through or across the neuronal junction. So, this is all about related. Okay, thank you.